Have your plant leaves started turning yellow? Are the tips turning brown, or are pests suddenly attacking your favorite plants? Don't worry, most plant problems are easy to fix if you know the real reason behind them. In today's video, I'll show you the most common plant problems and the simple solutions that can bring your plants back to life. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tannu Garden. If you love gardening and want easy plant care tips that actually work, then you're in the right place. Before we begin, please take a second to like this video, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really supports the channel and motivates me to bring you more helpful gardening videos every week. Now, without wasting any more time, let's learn about the most common plant problems and their easy solutions. The first common problem is yellow leaves. Many people think yellow leaves always mean the plant needs water, but that's not true. In most cases, yellow leaves are caused by overwatering, which prevents the roots from getting enough oxygen. Sometimes underwatering, poor drainage, or a lack of nutrients can also be the reason. The best solution is to water your plant only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Make sure your pot has proper drainage holes, and feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. The second common problem is brown leaf tips. Brown edges usually appear because of underwatering, low humidity, or using too much fertilizer. This is especially common in indoor plants. To fix it, water your plants consistently, increase humidity by misting the leaves or placing a tray of water nearby, and if you've over-fertilized, flush the soil with clean water to remove excess salts. The third problem is wilting plants. A wilted plant doesn't always mean it's thirsty. Sometimes the soil is completely dry, while other times it's too wet and the roots have started rotting. Always check the soil before watering. If it's dry, give the plant a deep watering. If it's wet, allow the soil to dry out and improve drainage before watering again. The fourth problem is pests like aphids, mealybugs, spider mites, and whiteflies. These tiny insects feed on the sap of your plants, causing weak growth, curled leaves, and sticky surfaces. If you notice these pests, spray neem oil or a mild soap solution once a week, remove heavily infected leaves, and keep the affected plant away from healthy plants until the infestation is under control. The fifth common issue is fungal diseases. White powder on leaves, black spots, or mold on the soil usually indicate a fungal infection caused by excessive moisture and poor air circulation. Remove the infected leaves, avoid watering directly on the foliage, place the plant where it gets good airflow and sunlight, and always water in the morning so the soil can dry throughout the day. The sixth problem is slow or no plant growth. If your plant isn't growing, it may not be getting enough sunlight, nutrients, or space for its roots. Move it to a brighter location if needed, feed it with a balanced fertilizer, and if the roots are coming out of the drainage holes, repot it into a slightly larger container with fresh potting mix. The seventh common problem is leaves falling off. Plants often drop leaves because of sudden temperature changes, overwatering, underwatering, or being moved to a new location. Keep your plant in a stable environment, avoid shifting it frequently, water properly, and protect it from hot or cold drafts. Most plants recover once they adjust to their surroundings. The eighth and final problem is root rot, one of the most serious plant issues. Signs include yellow leaves, soft black roots, and bad-smelling soil. If you notice these symptoms, remove the plant from its pot, trim away the damaged roots with clean scissors, and repot it in fresh, well-draining soil. Most importantly, avoid overwatering to prevent root rot from happening again. Before ending the video, here are a few quick tips that can help prevent most plant problems. Always check the soil before watering, provide the right amount of sunlight according to your plant's needs, keep the leaves clean, Inspect your plants regularly for pests. Use well-draining soil with pots that have drainage holes, and feed your plants regularly during the growing season. These simple habits can keep your plants healthy and thriving. That's all for today's video. I hope these easy solutions help you identify and fix common plant problems with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tannu Garden for more gardening tips and plant care guides. Let me know in the comments which plant problem you face most often, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy gardening.